Let's take a closer look at roles and permissions within Stages today. Every Stages user is assigned one of several roles within the system. They could be the organization owner, an administrator, a project manager, a basic user, or a viewer, essentially a guest. The characteristics of each role can be found in the Organization Roles menu, under the Organizations tab. The organization owner holds the highest level of permissions, enabling them to perform various operations, including the deletion of the organization. Next in the hierarchy is the administrator. Their permissions are slightly lower than those of the organization owner. It's important to note that, unlike other roles, the administrator can view all projects within the organization, and this setting cannot be changed. The next role is the basic user. By default, their permissions are quite limited. However, this role allows for permissions to be adjusted at the project level. We'll delve into this further in the later part of the video. Following that is the project manager role. Their permissions are similar to those of the administrator, but only apply within the projects they've been assigned to. The last role is the viewer. As the name suggests, this role has minimal permissions. They can't make changes, edit content, or settings. They can only view projects and associated materials. You can check the permissions of each user in the Users menu under the Organizations tab. Here, you can see which role is currently assigned to a user and in which projects they're involved. You can also modify a user's permission level, up or down, and remove them from the organization from this section. As mentioned earlier, for the basic role, there's the option to adjust specific permissions at the project level. This means that the same person can have different permissions in different projects. The tool to modify these permissions is available in the Projects menu under the Organizations tab. Within the project you're interested in, select Project Dashboard from the menu at the end of the row. Using this tool, you can also adjust the permission level for a specific user, as demonstrated in the video. Next, choose Set Users Privileges in Project for the user whose permissions you wish to modify. Now, adjust the settings for the specific permissions you're interested in for the selected user.